गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइजेशन। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नो व्हाट इज डाइजेशन। डाइजेशन इज द प्रोसेस by which macromolecules are converted into micromolecules, or digestion is the process by which food substances are broken down by mechanical and chemical means. Okay, mechanical digestion occurs in the oral cavity and chemical digestion takes place with the help of the enzyme. Now, the food which we eat, it contains carbohydrate, protein and fat. So digestion of carbohydrate first of all started in the oral cavity, and you know that the oral cavity contains salivary glands, and these salivary glands secretes salivary amylase enzyme. This salivary amylase enzyme acts on the starch and converted it into maltose and isomaltose. Okay, तो ओरल कैविटी में या बक्कल कैविटी में कार्बोहाइड्रेट का पहला डाइजेशन स्टार्ट होता है किसकी मदद से? सलाइवरी अमाइलेज या टाइलिन की वजह से, जो कि स्टार्च को माल्टोज और आइसोमाल्टोज में कन्वर्ट कर देता है। ओके, अब नाउ दिस स्टार्च रीचेज इनटू स्टमक थ्रू esophagus. There is a no digestion of the food takes place in esophagus, and there is a no carbohydrate digestion takes place in stomach. Next, the food reaches into the small intestine, and in small intestine with the help of pancreatic juice and intestinal juice helps in digestion of starch. So first of all we see here action of pancreatic juice. Pancreas secretes pancreatic juice in duodenum, and it contains pancreatic alpha amylase. This pancreatic alpha amylase enzyme acts on starch and again converted it into maltose and isomaltose. Okay, now the action of intestinal juice. Intestinal juice is secreted by some specific glands into the duodenum, and which the intestinal juice is also called succus intricus. Very important question for 1 marks. What is succus intricus? Succus intricus is intestinal juice which contains maltase, isomaltase, sucrase and lactase enzymes. Okay, these enzymes helps in digestion of disaccharides into monosaccharides. Means when maltase acts on maltose, it converted it into 2 molecules of glucose. Isomaltase acts on isomaltose and again converted it into 2 molecules of glucose. Sucrase enzyme act on sucrose and convert it glucose and fructose. Okay, now again lactase enzyme acts on lactose and helps in conversion of glucose plus galactose. These are the glucose, fructose, galactose. These are the simple absorbable form of carbohydrates. अगर एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आता है कि कार्बोहाइड्रेट का कंप्लीट डाइजेशन कहाँ पे होता है, तो आंसर होगा इसका द कंप्लीट डाइजेशन ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट टेक्स प्लेस विद इन द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन with the help of maltase, isomaltase, sucrase and lactase enzymes. Okay, now digestion of protein. What is protein? Proteins are polymers of amino acids, यानी मीन्स कि amino acids unite together with the help of peptide bonds and form a structure that is known as protein. तो प्रोटीन का डाइजेशन कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है? प्रोटीन का पहला डाइजेशन स्टार्ट होता है स्टमक में और फिर उसके बाद में स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में. ओके, ये याद रखना. तो अब हम देखते हैं कि स्टमक में किस तरीके से प्रोटीन का डाइजेशन होता है. तो सबसे पहले stomach contains gastric gland and gastric gland secretes the gastric juice and gastric juice helps in digestion of protein in stomach. और स्टमक का जो डाइजेशन होता है वो एसिडिक मीडियम में होता है. ओके, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी सी हियर हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड इज secreted by the oxynetic cells of the gastric gland, and this hydrochloric acid activates inactive form of the pepsin, that is pepsinogen, into active form pepsin, and this pepsin enzyme acts on the proteins and convert it into protease and large peptides. Okay, here another enzyme is secreted by the gastric glands in inactive form is prorenin. Prorenin enzyme with the help of HCl is converted into active form of renin. This renin enzyme acts on the milk protein called casein and converted it into paracasein and peptones. Okay, this is the digestion of protein which takes place in acidic medium in stomach. Now the digestion of protein in small intestine. तो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में पैनक्रियाटिक जूस और इंटेस्टाइनल जूस जो है वो हेल्प करेंगे प्रोटीन के डाइजेशन में. ओके, तो एक्शन ऑफ पैनक्रियाटिक जूस. पैनक्रियाज secretes trypsinogen enzyme and this trypsinogen enzyme is inactive enzyme. With the help of enterokinase enzyme that is present in intestinal juice converts trypsinogen into active form trypsin. Okay, and trypsin is a protein splitting enzyme. It break down proteins in alkaline medium. Okay, so trypsin acts on protein and converts it into large peptides. Okay, again action of intestinal juice. Intestinal juice contains aminopeptidase dipeptidase enzymes. These aminopeptidase enzyme acts on the large peptides and convert it into dipeptides plus amino acids. Dipeptidase enzyme acts on dipeptides and convert it into amino acids. This is amino acid is the end product of protein. Here now we see the digestion of fat. Very important question एग्जाम में फैट का डाइजेशन जरूर पूछा जाता है. ओके, फैट इज लार्जली डाइजेस्टेड इन स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन with the help of pancreatic lipase and intestinal juice. The large amount of lipase enzyme is present in pancreatic juice and negligible amount is present in intestinal juice. The main fat digesting enzyme is pancreatic lipase. Confirm. फैट का डाइजेशन स्टार्ट होने से पहले फैट का इमल्सिफिकेशन होता है. व्हाट इज इमल्सिफिकेशन? इमल्सिफिकेशन इज ए प्रोसेस बाय विच large fat droplets is converted into small droplets due to which surface area increases for the action of lipase enzyme. and this process of emulsification occurs with the help of bile juice. Okay, when the fat is emulsified, then pancreatic lipase acts on it, and then it is converted into fat, fatty acid and diglycerides. Again, with the help of pancreatic lipase, diglycerides is converted into monoglycerides, and monoglycerides is converted into fatty acid and glycerol with the help of pancreatic juice. This is all about the process of digestion. Okay, so what is the end product of carbohydrate digestion? The end product of carbohydrate hydrate digestion is glucose, fructose, galactose. And what is the end product of protein digestion? The end product of protein digestion is amino acid. And what is the end product of fat digestion? The end product of fatty acid digestion is fatty acid digestion is fatty acid and glycerol. Okay, now we see how the simpler simpler form of food is absorbed. We know that in small intestine there is a finger like projections. These projections are called villi. Here we see the structure of villi. This here you see the structure of villi. This is the villi, and outer layer of villi contains epithelial cells. Inside villi, the red color you appear, it is a blood vessels, and green color tube like structure is present, that is lymphatic system or lymphatic capillaries. Glucose, fructose, sucrose are absorbed, and amino acids are absorbed by the blood vessels, and fatty acid and glycerols are absorbed by the lymphatic systems. From lymphatic systems these reaches into the adipose tissue, and where it is stored. Okay, this is the structure of villi. So what is the function of villi? Villi increases the surface area due to which absorption of food occurs. Okay, this is